In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give your customers a credit note in QuickBooks Online. A credit note lets you give a customer credit they can use on future invoices or money you can refund later. It's perfect for returns, discounts after an error, or service adjustments. I'll walk you through the process and share helpful tips along the way so you feel confident using it. Start by clicking the plus Create button in QuickBooks Online. In the menu that opens, look under Customers and choose Credit Note. This opens a new credit note form. At the top, pick your customer from the drop-down. If they aren't in your list yet, select Add Customer and enter their details so the credit is tied to the right profile. Next, confirm the credit note date. It defaults to today, and that date controls when the credit becomes available and how it appears on your reports. Then check the credit note number. QuickBooks auto-generates this, but you can edit it to match your numbering system if needed. Now move to the Product Service section. Choose the exact item or service you're crediting. Matching the original product or service helps keep your income and inventory reporting accurate. Enter the quantity and rate to reflect how much you're crediting. If sales tax applied on the original sale, select the same tax here so the totals and tax records remain consistent. Take a moment to review the subtotal, the total, and the total credit. This is a great checkpoint to make sure the numbers match what you intend to issue. If you want to add context for your customer, type a short message that will appear on the credit note or their statement, such as why the credit is being issued. You can also attach supporting documents, like a return authorization or an email confirmation, to keep everything organized in one place. When you're satisfied, click Save. If you'd like to send it right away, choose Save and Send to email the credit note to your customer. If this same credit will repeat on a schedule, such as a monthly service credit, you can click Make Recurring and set the frequency so QuickBooks handles it automatically going forward. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Credit notes are best when you want to give the customer a credit for future use or for a refund later. Always double-check the customer, amount, and product or service before saving. And remember, you can apply this credit to an invoice later by going to Receive Payment and selecting the credit. That's how you give a credit note to your customer in QuickBooks Online. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.